We've got all that pretty good. That's all wiped down real good on the inside. We're just going to do the same thing now to the outside. We're just going to grab a couple of these patches. We're just going to wipe down the outside here. All right, I'm just starting on the left side of the frame. The trigger guard, doing the accessory rail. Doing a final wipe on the frame rail. I'll come down the front strap here now, and that kind of just works me right into the right side of the frame. And I'm just going to repeat the process. I'm going to wipe the outside of the frame and get the side of this accessory rail here, and do the side of the trigger and this right side of the trigger guard, and this rail again. That's looking pretty good, and you may see a little bit of lint on your frame, but we're not going to worry too much about that because we know that we got a little, all the oil wiped up. There's a little bit of this lint's going to be coming out of these patches, and that's okay because we're going to do a final wipe down when we go to store this particular firearm. So I'm going to give it one good look, make sure I don't see anything, any major buildup. That's pretty good. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to start reassembling this 226.